The backlog of cases is dwindling, staff applications are being thoroughly vetted, and meetings are keeping the team on track. It's been 2.5 months since the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services took over child welfare services within the Davidson County Department of Social Services. The state took over after it found several issues. Thanks for joining us. I'm Natalie Wilson.
And I'm Neil McNeil. Those included lack of contact throughout child welfare cases, inadequate supervision of cases, and even the death of a child formerly in Department of Social Services custody. Fox 8's Melissa Rademacher heard an update from the state today on how it's working towards solutions. Melissa, what did you learn?
Neil, Natalie, state staff say there's good news after these 2.5 months. They're hiring qualified candidates for those openings, and they're training that new staff to perform better. The state says, of course, that's a key to making sure this department in Davidson County is a safe space for kids going forward.
The ones who've remained here are really, I think, passionate about the work that they do. They care about the children and families of Davidson County.
Since the takeover, 5 staff members have left the department. 9 new staff members have joined the Davidson County DSS team, and 5 more are starting this month.
We continue to assess the staff that are here working, determining if they're the right fit for the positions that they're in.
The state says the commissioners approving salary increases is helping bring in talented applicants for the 18 vacancies they still need to fill.
We've upgraded the reference checks, so we've put a different type of process in for, confirming references. So that is something that we're doing and we feel is being successful.
Since the state takeover, the backlog of Davidson County child welfare cases has gone from 218 down to 98. The state says that's a huge win, but just one benchmark with a lot of work left to do, and still nearly 500 open cases. State staff have started doing daily huddles to immediately address cases that come in overnight and established weekly meetings where social workers meet with supervisors to stay on top of cases, things that will hopefully prevent any future backlog.
We're also identifying training needs, and some of those needs are being addressed in the meetings that we're having with the staff. And then more specific training is being developed, and that'll be rolled out at a later time.
I checked in with one Davidson County mother who's familiar with DSS, who says she's had a tough experience with them in the past, but is hopeful. This seems like good news. She just hopes it sticks. There's no timeline for when the state would return control to the county, saying there's still work to do with hiring and training. In Davidson County, Melissa Rademacher, Fox 8 News.
Hey, Melissa, thank you.